Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have added the properties of Gmail to send the email to the recipients. Okay, that's fine. So now in this session, what I'll do is I'll be adding a notification domain class, which will be having the properties called email and phone number, alert type, and the message. So these are the four properties I'll be going to take and I'll be creating a POJO. Okay, so let me right click on this package. Let me create a new package. I'll be storing the POJOs or entity. I'll be storing the POJOs under this domain package. Okay, so let me come here. Let me create a Java class. So I'll be creating a Java class called notification. Notification. So notification is the Java class we have created. So this Java class is having the properties called private string email. Okay, and we have private string message. Perfect. And sorry, yeah, message is also part of it. And private string mobile number. Let me take it as a string only. Okay, mobile number, and we need to give the alert type. Private string alert. Right, whether it is a debit, whether it is a credit, all these things you will be giving it over here. You can create a enum also. There is no problem in it. Okay, so fine. So we have created these properties. We have given these properties. For these properties, I need to generate the setters and getters. I'll be using a lombok. I'll be generating the setters and getters. Setters and add getters. And I'll be generating the our constructor. Okay. And I'll be constructing the nor constructor. I needed toString as well. So I'll be taking a toString as well. Fine. So we have completed this notification domain class. Okay. In the next session, what I'll do is I'll be working on the notification service class. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. In the next session, we'll be working on the notification service class. So please concentrate more on the notification service class. Okay, so because it is kind of like, tricky. Okay, we will be making a call to the multiple services. Okay, we will be calling to the customer service, we'll be calling the account service, we'll be calling the transaction service as well. So all these services, we will be getting the data from all these services. We will be, sending the email. Okay, so that's all for now. In the next session, we will be discussing more about the notification service. Thank you.